Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. So before starting the problem I want to tell you that if you want to get more important problems of mathematics you can visit our website which is education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of this video. Okay, so how you can visit there? See, you have to visit education-adda.com, then you go to menu option and from there you select academics adda, and in that you will get math important questions tab. Okay, so click on that and get the all important questions. Okay, and on our YouTube channel also you can get math important questions in the playlist titled as math important questions. Okay, so coming back to the question, see what is given here. A function is given as gx equal to 10x square plus 5x, and we have to find the slope of the second line in terms of x and h, and then in part b we have to find slope of second line for h equal to 0.5, then h equal to 0.1 and h equal to 0.01 at x equal to 1. Okay, and also we have to find m of sec x, that is slope of second line as h approaches 0. Part C, we have to find the equation for the second line at x equal to 1 and value of h should be 0.01. Then in part D, we have to graph the function g and the second line found in part C. And we have to show all these two graphs on the same viewing window. Okay. So one by one we will solve. See, function is given as gx equal to 10x square plus 5x. So gx equal to 10x square plus 5x. Okay. So we will take another point whose x coordinate is x plus h. H is very small. Okay. It is small. So g of x plus h. So gx will g of x plus h, it will be 10 into x plus h whole square plus 5 into x plus h. How we got this? Just substituting x plus h in place of x. Okay, so this is gx plus h. And what is gx plus h? It is y coordinate for the x coordinate, which is x plus h. Okay, now we have 2 points. What are the 2 points? We have x and gx, okay, as one point, and second point we have x plus h comma g of x plus h. So slope of the second line we can easily calculate, and m of sec x, that is slope of second line, it is given as y2 minus y1. Okay, y2 is g of x plus h minus y1 is gx divided by x2 minus x1. We know how to calculate the slope of a line joining 2 points. So x plus h is our coordinate of second, x coordinate of second point, and x is x coordinate of first point. Okay, substituting g of x plus h and the values of gx, we will get this one. Okay, this is our gx and this is gx plus h, and in the denominator it will be x will get cancelled out and we will have only h. So we, after expanding this, see a plus b whole square formula we can use here. So it will become 10x square plus 10h square plus 20hx, and again opening this bracket we will get 5x plus 5h and minus 10x square, and this is minus plus minus 5x. Okay, so this will get cancelled. See, 5x will get cancelled, then 10x square and 10x square will get cancelled, and we will get 10h square plus 20hx plus 5h divided by h. So taking h as common factor, okay, we will get h into 10h plus 20x plus 5 divided by h. Therefore, slope of the second line will be in terms of h and x, and that is 10h plus 20x plus 5. Okay. Now we have to calculate the slope for different values of h and x equal to 1. So when x equal to 1 and h equal to 0.5. So substituting these values in equation 1, and this is our equation 1, what we have calculated the slope of the second line. So substituting these values, we will get m of sec x equal to 10 into 0.5 plus 20 into x. So 20 into 1 plus 5. Okay. So it will be 5 plus 20 plus 5. So second slope of second line will be 30 when x equal to 1 and h equal to 0.5. Similarly, in second part, we have x equal to 1 and h equal to 0.1. So again substituting these values, we will get slope of the second line as 26. Okay. Next, when h equal to 0.01 and x equal to 1, so we can get slope of the second line as by substituting h and x in equation 1, and we will get 25.1. Okay. Now in fourth part, what is being told? That when h approaches 0, then we have to find the slope of the second line at x equal to 1. Okay. So substituting h equal to 0 and x equal to 1 in equation 1, we will get slope of the second line as 10 into 0 plus 20 into 1 plus 5. So it will be 25. Okay. So next part, part C. So we have to find when x equal to 1 and h equal to 0.01. So in that case, we have to find the equation of the second line. Okay. As we have already calculated the slope when x equal to 1 and h equal to 0, 1, see here we have calculated x equal to 1 and h equal to 0, 1. So m of sec x is 25.1. So here we have m of sec x equal to 25.1, and when x equal to 1, we can calculate the value of y coordinate by substituting x equal to 1 in the equation gx. So it will be 10x square plus 5x, so 10 into 1 square plus 5 into 1, and it will be 15. Okay. So now we have 1 point and the slope of the second line. So slope we know, and 1 point, that is 1 and 15. So x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 15. So equation of second line passing through 1, 15, and slope having m of sec x is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Substituting x1 y1 as 1 and 15 and m of sec x equal to 25.1, we will get y minus 15 equal to 25.1 into x minus 1. Okay. And then we can take this constant on the RHS side. So we will get y equal to 25.1 into x minus 25.1 plus 15, that is y equal to 25.1 x minus 10.1. Okay. So this is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Okay. Now part D. In part D, what we have to do, we have to plot this parabola. What is the given function? Okay, this is in the form of parabola. So we have to plot this one and the straight line, that is second line on the same graphical. So this can be rewritten as, see, gx can be rewritten as y equal to 10 of x square plus x by 2, because we have taken 10 as common factor, so it will become x by 2. And in order to write this in the form of a plus b whole square, what we will do, see, this is x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 4. Okay, because this is 2ab, so b should be 1 by 4. So we have to add here b square, that is 1 by 4 whole square, and as we are adding 1 by 4 whole square into 10, so we need to subtract that term. So it is minus 10 into 1 by 4 whole square. So we will get y equal to 10 into x plus 1 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 8. That is x plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 10 into y plus 5 by 8. Now if we can see it is a parabola with vertex minus 1 by 4 and minus 5 by 8. So vertex we know, and then we can plot the parabola. Okay, see x square equal to, so this axis will be parallel to y axis. Okay, axis will be parallel to y axis and vertex is minus 1 by 4 and minus 5 by 8. And second line, already we have calculated the equation of second line. So we know slope is 25.1 and y-intercept is minus 10.1. So now we can plot the graphs as below. See, this one is the equation of gx. So this is our gx equation, and this straight line, it is second line. See, this is your vertex, and this is having slope 20, straight line having slope 25.1, and y-intercept is minus 10.1. Okay. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay friends, thank you.